Sai Ram, all of you. Welcome to 11th standard. We are happy to introduce physical education for the very first time in our school, Bhagirathi Vidyalaya. Okay, let us children, let us know the real meaning of physical education. As you know, the word physical is related to the body and its movement. Now, education modifies the human behavior in society. The subject physical education studies the human behavior in society. It helps the society to create a healthy environment. Now, every country needs a healthy citizen. So, the study of physical education promotes social values to a great extent. Now you have seen the meaning of physical education. It modifies the human behavior society. Now, physical education is an integral part of general education. As you all know, in the modern age, life is full of physical and mental stresses, which can be relieved by doing physical exercises. So, keeping fit should be the way of life. The national policy of education has emphasized the need of physical education to all at all levels. Now, CBSE has launched a textbook of physical education to meet the needs or requirements of students. As you can see in your screen, this is the physical education book. Now, let us see the contents. How many contents are there? Chapters and lessons. Here in unit 1 there are 10 units. As per new syllabus, it has been reduced, 30% has been reduced, and some sub chapters have been deleted. As you can see the marks, I have put a cut there. Now first unit is changing trends and career in physical education. Now this has sub chapters like first unit is meaning and definition of physical education, aim and objectives of physical education. Now career options in physical education, and last one is Khelo India Bharat. This was launched by our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. Now the second unit is Olympic movement, second unit. In this the chapters are Olympic symbols, idols, objects and values, International Olympic Committee, Indian Olympic Association, etc. Now the third unit, physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. In this also there are three chapters: meaning and importance of physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle, components of physical fitness, components of health related fitness. Now the fourth unit is physical education and sports for CWSN, means children with special needs. We can say in Hindi Divyang. There are subunits like aim and objectives of adaptive physical education, organization promotion and adaptive sports, concept and need of integral physical education. Now the next fifth this is the fifth unit. Sorry, fifth unit. Now unit 5 is related to yoga, as yoga and physical education are correlated. Now in these subunits are meaning and importance of yoga, elements of yoga, yoga for concentration and some asanas. Now unit 6, physical activity and leadership training, concept of physical activity and inactive, leadership qualities and role of leader, behavior change stages for physical activities. meaning, objectives and types of adventures. 7th unit, test, measurement and evaluation. Define test, measurement and evaluation. And the second lesson is procedure of adventure, measurement of height and weight, calculation of BMI and BMI. Now the 8th unit is fundamental of anatomy and psychology. Define anatomy, psychology and its importance. First chapter. Now the second chapter, function of skeleton system, classification of bone and types of joints, properties of muscles, functions and structure of muscle. These both are combined, functions and structure of respiratory system. Now unit 9. In unit 9 you can see kinesiology and biomechanical and sports. In this only 2 chapters are there, meaning and importance of kinesiology and biomechanical in physical education and sports, and the last one is equilibrium, dynamic and static and center of gravity and application of sports. Now unit 10, psychology and sports. In this, definition and differentiate between growth and development. Next one, adolescence problem and their management. Now unit 11, training in sports. In this the chapters are meaning and concept of sports training, principles of sports training, warm up and limbering down, skill, technique and style, and the last one is doping. In this the chapters are concept and classification of doping, prohibited substance and methods, and the last one is side effects of prohibited substance. These are the contents. Now let us see the model question paper of our physical education. In this there are it consists of 70 marks and the time duration is 3 hours. This question paper is divided into 3 parts, 1 mark question, 3 marks question and 5 mark questions. It's of 70 marks, okay, like this. And all the question paper you have to attempt compulsorily. Every questions are important to attempt. Now let us see the conclusion. Live most and save best. Keeping fit should be the way of life. So stay healthy, be happy. Okay, we'll meet in the next video. Sai Ram, thank you.